back. It's been a while since I've done some videos. But starting with this, I'm down here in Miami on a beautiful, beautiful day down in Key Biscayne on a 46 Bertram, 1983. This boat is in very, very, very nice condition. The boat's been painted about a year ago. I don't know if you can see the shine on her. They painted the whole boat. Engines have been rebuilt with about 56 hours on them. Has a brand new generator, Northern Lights. Has I think 63 hours. We have a full tuna tower, outriggers, a fighting chair. You can see that on the still photos. I don't have to take the cover off. New non-skid. This is really in nice shape. I don't know if you can see the shine. She's in very, very nice shape. All the big ticket items have been done, taken care of. The owner has owned the boat about 15 years. And he just loves her, just wants to go bigger. So this has everything done to her already. You're not getting an I don't know with this boat. Like I said, everything's been done. She's a fishing machine. She's just ready to go out. Let's step on board and take a look inside. Doing this with my phone. Sorry, I don't have the best equipment for this, and what I did bring didn't work. So, back to the phone. Let's go inside here. Well, I'll try to get everything, so bear with me. He has wood floors, he has an area rug. On the starboard side, we have an L-shaped sleeper sofa. Sleepers in this section here. On the port side, a couple swivel chairs. Bedliner's in good condition. Plenty of rod and reel, the rod storage. No leaks on the windows. Galley down model. Flat screen TV. Plenty of storage throughout the boat. The AC is ice cold. I think he replaced some of them. I also did this on the countertop, which is really nice. A nice feature. Also, the partners did this on the high-low table. I could stand in this spot. It's nice and cold with the AC blowing on me. This has the original finish. Right here. We go down 2 steps into the galley. Take a look back into the salon. It's a nice sized salon. It seats a lot of people. Move the galley down. They made it a little bigger. Have a microwave, sink. A 3-burner stove top, an oven, full-size fridge and freezer. Has this wood paneling on the flooring, sorry about my finger, throughout. Put this paneling up on the port side opposite the galley. It's pretty, actually. Very nice. Master stateroom going forward on the port side. Full-size berth, plenty of storage, 2 reading lamps, windows, Like I said, plenty of storage. Have a closet right here, hanging locker, flat screen TV, master head with a shower. Another locker here, pantry next to the refrigerator. Going forward on the starboard side, I have the guest head, the handheld. Now that's a pretty leg. Look at that. Go all the way forward, a V-berth, 2 hanging lockers. I think he has the filler piece for here. It's kind of dark in the corners, but no water damage. Nice boat, plenty of space. I'll hop down real quick if I can make this graceful. Try to show you part of the engine room here. Get open this hatch. Give me a sec. I'm not going to jump down there, but I'll give you a view. 71s. The air conditioner's over here. I don't know how much you can see from me just reaching down, but it's a pretty clean engine room. Like I said, less than 60 hours on the engines. I hope that gives you enough. Just trying to give you an idea. Engine room's nice. Go up to top. I'm not going to go all the way up the tower, but I'll go to the flybridge. Show you what we got up there. Again, hope it's semi-graceful. Oh, this isn't going to be graceful at all. Sorry. He's got the cushions up, but all brand new gauges, all working, all new panels, all new toggle switches. All lettered. And you don't find many Bertrams of this era like this. Electronics. Veruno Navnet, Garmin 4012, Simrad, Autopilot, VHF. Anyway, again, 46 Bertram, 1983, down here in Miami. New paint, rebuilt engines, new generator, new non-skid, no electronics, new gauges, new AC, What didn't I get? New toggle switches and gauges. My number's in the information at the beginning of this. Feel free to email me, text me, call me. Bye now. Have a great day.